Alright, about to do a juice groove on this perfectly good 6x8 board. This will be the smallest one I've ever been asked to do a juice groove on. Perfectly good completed board. Did actually a pretty nice job on the juice groove, but got in a hurry and just dropped the router in the middle, taking out this massive gouge. Unbelievable. What an idiot.
Trying to fix this baby board with my router using my juice groove jig, and you can see that the base plate isn't big enough and I just can't get all to the edges. It's just not working. So I got a new base plate, custom fit it to match my router exactly, and this should fix that problem, right?
Alright, I've got this old Endgrain baby board that I have found at least 3 ways to break, and from not using the right tools, and finally got the right tool set up. And before I try and trace the outer edge, I'm going to get rid of this high area in the middle, which was what was causing me the problem before because I didn't have a good base plate. But now I think I got that problem fixed.
As you can see in this video, my router won't stay locked down and it keeps sliding up. There it is, just a little, and I barely even realize what's happening. It frustrates me so much. So once again, project goes on hold while I get the router repaired.
Started this project a year ago, maybe more. Been failing at it, continually fixing it, trying all kinds of freehand router techniques. Finally stopped taking shortcuts and made a little jig. I've got this double-sided stick tape down, got the jig double-sided stick taped on, and I've done the first 2 passes and it's going smooth. I'm afraid to get my hopes up. I think I might be able to finish this finally. The jig I made once I finally gave up taking shortcuts. Double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. It's a small Endgrain baby board that was ordered for a commission years ago. They had wanted a juice groove on this tiny board, and I dropped the router and it gouged the middle. So I tried to make this into a bit of a catch-all tray. But the bit got away from me and I started dinging up some edges, trying to use just this router with the stock base, and it wasn't quite big enough. Bought this kind of universal base plate. I love it. This thing works awesome. Something came loose on my DeWalt router. The height wouldn't stay. It was still under warranty, so I got it repaired. And I fixed these edges where it had gotten dinged from me not being careful with some Starbond Black epoxy putty to fill in those grooves. And then just to be safe, I soaked their outer edges with Starbond Original Thin AC behind them. That held these little repairs in. Hopefully they're not too noticeable in the end. And then taped it on. Now I just finish it up. Gouged a little bit of that wood. Looks worse than it is because I used a really light wood filler.